Namaste. I'm Dr. Bhavani Prasad, working as a Senior Medical Officer, Kshemavana. There are many reasons for obesity. That may be a simple lifestyle shift, or that may be a dietary reasons, or that may be a sedentary lifestyle. Or there are some certain hormonal problems that will initiate the obesity like hypothyroidism, PCOS, PCOD, that also will cause the obesity. And apart from these, we have some medicinal causes also. So the use of certain drugs like steroids will initiate the obesity. In certain cases, the person will not reduce weight also. In naturopathy, will treat the root cause of the obesity, not the obesity. So success will lies in treating the root cause of the obesity, which is causing weight gain. Coming to the treatment, we first give the therapies like steam bath, sauna to increase the metabolism of the fat. And then we give the treatments like massage, manipulative therapies to increase the mobilization of the fat. Our main therapy should be the diet. What we eat, that we are. Whatever we eat, that our body will be made like that. First, we have to correct the gut. We have to clean the gut and we have to improve the gut health so that whatever the food we eat, that will get absorbed and assimilated correctly, and that will give proper nutrition to our body. So we have to design the diet so that the person's requirement should be met. It should be designed in such a way that it should contain proper nutrition and low calories, and it should contain fresh fruits, vegetables and salads. Apart from the diet, we have to do some sort of exercise so that the extra calories will be burnt and released as energy, so that the fat will be burnt. Yoga is the best form of exercise which we prescribe. Why? Because it only not concentrates on the physical health, it also concentrates on the mental health and reduces stress, which is cause of all the diseases. Taking all these things into consideration, we can have a best weight loss without any side effects.